Once again, I welcome you all in our online learning platform, Prudence Coaching English class. Here we are providing ICSE, CBSE and WBBSE solution. Today, our topic is voice change, past continuous tense, practice set 5. Those students who have not yet performed the previous practice set, I will request them to perform the previous practice set. And today we are once again here with 5 seconds challenge. This is first ever on YouTube. This video is going to be very helpful for the students of all boards because this is ultimate English guidance. This is our part 1 video. In this part 1 video, once again we will practice the questions. We will give you only 5 seconds, and within this 5 seconds you have to solve the question. So let's start. Our question is, change the given sentences either into passive or active form. The question remains the same. You have to change the sentence either into passive or in the active voice. That means if the sentence is given in active voice, you will have to change it into passive voice. If the sentence is given in passive voice, you need to just change into passive voice. So let's start. So get ready for the first question of the day. Our first question is number 1. Arnab was writing a letter. Your time starts now. Your time ends. Now your final answer is a letter was being written by Arnab. As you know, in voice change, subject and objects are swapped. So a letter will be in the beginning and by Arnab will be used at the last. So a letter was being written by Arnab. As this is past continuous tense, we have to use the being, and according to the subject we'll have to use was or were. So the final answer is a letter was being written by Arnab. You know it pretty well. The third form of the verb write is written. So let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Binay was drawing a picture. I repeat the question. Binay was drawing a picture. Your time starts now. The time is finished. Now we will move to the answer. The answer is a picture was being drawn by Binay. Now the next question. Hurry up students. Kusum was making a doll. Your time starts now. Here your time ends. Now the answer is a doll was being made by Kusum. So I hope you have written the correct answer, and those who are performing with us, let us know how many answers are correct for you. So let's move to the next question. That is question number 4. Savitri was watching TV with her friends in the afternoon yesterday. I repeat the question students. Savitri was watching TV with her friends in the afternoon yesterday. Your time starts now. This question is very lengthy, so write the answer correctly. Your time is going to have an end. And finally, the time is finished. So the answer is TV was being watched by Savitri with her friends yesterday in the afternoon. Just check your answer once again. TV was being watched by Savitri with her friends yesterday in the morning. Actually, students, we have to write the complement at the end of a sentence, and here this portion is the complement. So you just need to place the complement at the end of a sentence. Now let's move to the next question. Get ready for the next question. The next question is question number 5. We were doing our works. Your time starts now. Here your time ends. Now the final answer is our works were being done by us. So here this works is the plural form. Just for this you need to use were. Our works were being done by us. Now the next question is question number 6. Why were you not doing your homeworks? I repeat the question. Why were you not doing your homeworks? Your time starts now. The time is finished finally. The final answer is why were your homeworks not being done? Students, this sentence is with the WH word why. So we'll have to use the WH word in the beginning, and next according to the pattern we'll have to write the answer. So the final answer is why were your homeworks not being done? Now the next question, that is, the boys were throwing stones at the puppies. I repeat, the boys were throwing stones at the puppies. Your time starts now. Now the time is finished finally. We'll look at the answer. The answer is the puppies were being thrown at by the boys. Here puppies is the plural, so we have to use were. You know the transformation: throw, threw, thrown. So always verbs third form or the past participle form has to be used in passive voice. Now let's ready for the next question, that is, were you following the rules? Your time starts now. I hope students you are doing very well. Okay, the time is going to have an end finally. The time is finished finally. So the final answer is, where the rules being followed by you. I repeat the answer, where the rules being followed by you. And now students, don't forget to mention this question mark. This plays a very important role in your voice change. Now get ready for the next question. Our second last question is, who were making the noise in the class? I repeat the question, who were making the noise in the class? Now your time starts now. I hope all of your answers are correct. And if you have not watched previous videos, so look at the videos first for your preparation. So time is finished finally. The answer is, by whom was the noise being made in the class? So students, when who is in the beginning of a voice change, you will have to transfer it into by whom. So by whom was the noise being made in the class? Now we'll move to the last question of the day. That is question number 10. They were reading the story eagerly. So your time starts now. Your final time is done. Now the time is finished. Your answer is, the story was being read eagerly by them. So this is the last question of the day. Students, those who have performed well, all the best for them, and those who have made some mistakes, I'll request them to watch the video for the voice change where we have discussed everything. And if you once watch the previous videos about the rules of voice change, then you will be the master of voice change. So till then, stay well. And our last request, students, if you have been benefited from this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon on the YouTube app and share this video with your friends so that everyone can have the benefit. Till then, stay well. Have a nice day, students. Goodbye.